How to get better FPS on a non-gaming laptop. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few optimization settings to go and get the best performance out of your non-gaming laptop. Now, the very first thing we need to do is open up the start menu on your computer and then just go and search for adjust the appearance and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. You then need to click on this checkbox next to adjust the best performance and then go and check the box next to smooth edges of screen fonts. Everything else should be left unchecked, and then you can go and press apply and OK. Now the next step is to open back up the start menu, go and search for settings, and then just click on the settings window. In the left hand side, click on gaming, then click on game bar and make sure this feature here is turned off and disabled. You can then come back over to the previous window, click on game mode, and you want to make sure this here is turned on and enabled like so. You can then press apps from the left hand side, scroll down to startup and click on this, and now go and disable all of these different startup applications. Unless there's anything here that you really need to start up when you first turn on your computer, I'd recommend just to disable all of the apps like so. Now we're also going to click on Windows Update from the left hand side. You can then press check for updates, and if there's any pending updates available for your computer, it's always recommended to go and install the latest updates, as this can also improve the performance of your laptop. Now once you've done this, we're going to open back up the start menu once again, and you're going to search for edit power plan and click on this. You can then press change advanced power settings, click on the drop down arrow and make sure you have the performance mode selected, and then go and press apply and OK. Now you also want to make sure that when you're gaming, your laptop is always plugged in on charge, and this is going to give you the best performance possible. You can then click back on your start menu, search for disk cleanup and click on this tool here. You now need to check the box next to all of these different items, and you can then press clean up system files. Now give that a couple of seconds while it calculates how much space can be saved. You then need to go and check all of the boxes once again, and once you've done this, press OK, and then you can press delete files. Now all you need to do is go and restart your computer, and you can try heading inside of one of your games. You also want to make sure that the graphics settings in the game itself is set to the lowest graphics possible, and this will always ensure you're getting the best performance out of your laptop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.